Let's see.
Okay. And let's go. Over here.
Wow, so you guys are leaving me.
Right here.
You guys are leaving your own leader behind.
Over here. Red, stand right here.
Hey, I was the person saying you are a leader.
And go down.
Pink was the person saying they were a leader.
Red,
I was vouching for you though.
Wow, even leaving your leader. Guys, you know the #1 rule is to never leave people
stand right
behind.
here. Come on.
Leaving your own leader behind.
Because we've developed a mutiny, you are no longer a leader.
He
Yes,
is
I am.
leader. Green was a righteous leader, and if he said
I can literally kick anybody right now.
I do not care what you say. No. Run this way.
Oh, giant
Go,
monkey!
go.
Two giant monkeys in here.
Green was a biased leader. He got his closest friends
Monkey here.
to be the new leader. No matter how unjust they might be. Vote for me and I'll leave it to
Unjust. Literally, all of us are dead besides him.
Come on, I'll stay with you.
You are the unjust one if you declare yourself leader. It is declaration.
Let's go, hurry up.
It is
I haven't
leadership.
declared myself leader.
Not
I'm just
a
saying
voting for
as
president.
leader.
Why is there so much
Nobody else is voting you as leader.
Bro, why?
Okay,
How come this shit?
literally everyone. Who is leader?
Me, I'm leader, and you guys are literally leaving me behind.
Why are you small? Oh, follow me, I know how to do it.
Then you die.
I have to teach you the monkey way.
Yes,
How do I turn small?
Right after.
How about no one is leader? We have no leader.
Yes, we have leaders.
We all
We
have
have leaders.
power in our
That's the wrong corner.
No leader. No one.
If I could prove that I never touched my balls.
Yes, we need leaders. We need somebody to leave. We need somebody.
No
I mean,
leader.
we need somebody
that I
to
never
leave.
touched my. Everyone should be a leader.
What the hell am I? Not everybody should be a leader. You wanna know why? It's unfair for the first person to deal with all of that.
Power have gone to the heads. We need no leadership to make their own decisions.
How far would I be to
By
green
high
if
power.
I
Lucy! Okay, sure. If I get there before you guys, then I'm leader.
that started up this whole thing.
That's true.
I'm leader.
Yes, he
Where's
is.
Crystal coming?
We're accepted.
Black is leader, nobody else is. Okay?
Let's go.
Well, you're dumb. You're not dumb.
No. No.
You are on Black Monkey.
Good. How do they turn small when they get out? How do you guys turn? How do you guys turn
you have to
small
go to
when
a
you get
corner.
out?
Well, I would like to teach you, but all of these people are leaving their own leader when that's literally the #1 rule. Not you, the other people.
Guys, how did you guys turn small?
We can help
Well,
you.
I can show
Follow
you.
us. Get
if
into the
they
maze
can
and we'll show
actually
you.
wait for me to go to them.
We must beat the Black Monkey.
Small.
He wants,
Go into the entrance
he
and we'll
wants a
show you.
dictatorship out of this.
Okay.
We need everyone to be their own leader.
I want to
No.
you guys.
Go into the entrance and we'll show you how to be smaller. Also,
I will